captain points, putting this guy to. Oh yeah, you guys, real smooth. Thanks.
It's all right. We'll play threes again.
All right.
all right.
Well, I guess we'll go back
Gotcha.
to the furry taco.
I'll play my damn high-speed, low-drag Costa
Well,
with my 3-point
do we
commander.
want to do that?
Where I'm at.
No, no, no.
Or do we want to do this?
No wonder. Or,
Yeah, let's do the John Way. Janway, whatever.
well,
Dang it, I was all set to do threes and I just wasted a bunch of money.
And I'll give you one more
Like
minute.
800, I spent like 800,000. Ah,
I'm ready.
I don't like it when people do that, man.
Let me see if I want to put any flags on. Nah, screw it.
Flags? We don't need no stinking flags.
Oh man, they took away the.
At least I got a 10-point captain in this, so. Alright, are we doing this thing or what?
All right, ready.
Alright, it's 2100. We doing this thing or what?
2 minutes. Yeah, no, sorry. You have to play dirty.
I think it's somewhere around T-minus 30 seconds or so, I think.
We'll play drip and wet, whatever.
We'll drop the first drop in 30 seconds. Ten seconds, and I'll count it down to battle when we get there.
And of course, someone's going to go tier 6s, right? That's the running
Okay.
joke.
Here we go. It's 3, 2, 1, battle.
Alright.
Again. That mini delay.
Yeah, just a
That
tiny one.
Are you guys already in?
Just
Of course, it's
started.
9:02.
Still loading.
Okay, I'll wait till next one. I'll go get some ice cream.
Ice cream.
Hey, bring me some.
Bring me some.
Bring you some what?
Ice cream.
Ice cream.
Some tuna.
Ew.
Ice cream. You scream. We all scream for ice
For tuna.
Tuna ice cream.
Tuna. What? Why'd we go to threes from threes to fives?
Because somebody wanted to play their kamikaze R.
There's reasons.
No,
I didn't say anything.
I see lots of TSG.
Oh, yeah, we have a question. You won't let me answer.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Reason being, we did it because there's too many ranked seasons coming up for fives, and I wanted everybody to get some more practice in their fives. That's the reason.
I'm okay with that.
I thought the
okay.
no meant it was a joke that we were still
no,
doing
no.
threes.
Okay.
No?
Well, that's why you're not in the 5 match, because you're in a 3, huh?
That's kind of what I thought we were doing.
Sitting on the other side.
Yeah, I see all you guys over there. Yeah, there's a whole
Hey,
bunch.
gentlemen.
Good evening, Mr. Nakona.
I've got Fog Raider and Silverin on my team and no one else.
I
I don't think there's anyone on our team either. I think we took a wrong turn.
Whoopsie.
You already dropped in?
We got 8 in this match. 9 o'clock's the drop, fellas.
See about 8 total on our group. Our
It's
game.
not rocket science.
I don't know
Okay.
which channel to join. I wasn't looking at that.
I'll join the 5s next time.
He announced it. He announced it all week. 9 o'clock Eastern Time, Tier 5.
Tier 3.
Oh, it was tier 3.
Yep, it was tier 3.
That was a joke.
if you guys
So funny.
but
Oh,
Jack
man.
would say that I keep saying drop at 9, and also that I would put an announcement then, and the announcement was we're switching from 3 to 5s.
Did it say no, no, no?
It did.
It did.
Did.
Yes, yes, yes.
No, no, no.
But maybe.
Oh, crapola.
Yeah, our DDs aren't scouting. I love not being able to fire at anything.
I want a boy toy with my Happy Meal.
You know what? That didn't sound right.
Yeah.
Someone just got promoted.
Shh. No, don't do that. I was trying to wait for the awkwardness to seep in a little deeper. Let's see if we can get
A little
this thing
deeper,
on here
just-
for weeks.
Yeah, you're not getting better.
Yeah, this is not going the way you want it.
Might as well just quit while
I don't know about you. It's exactly why I want it.
Hey, screw you, Sneaky. I'm doing the sneaking this time.
Yeah, you're in that friggin' kamikaze.
Who was it said they wanted a boy toy in their Happy Meal?
I'm not admitting to that.
Just got promoted to admiral. What are you talking about?
Or I guess the rear admiral.
TSG4. Congratulations.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to reevaluate my membership here.
Be nice if the destroyers didn't.
Nice job, Rainier.
Literally everywhere,
Thank
so
you.
I could actually see something.
Got 9 FPS though. It's not looking good.
Well, you just got a kill.
15. No.
Anybody actually drop into a 3?
Yes. I went tier 3.
Are there any already?
I'll catch you guys on the next one.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm just waiting to catch the next drop.
You too. But I'll eat my drumstick in the meantime.
Oh, I hate the taste of wood.
Problem solved, sir.
With all due respect, sir, why are you eating wood?
Because they said he's eating a drumstick.
Oh, that just went.
Oh boy.
I think someone needs to explain it to him.
All right.
You've been
There's
hanging out with
layers.
Orgasm too much?
There's layers.
Why are you even dignifying that with the want noise?
I think your torps are too short there, dude.
If Rusty was here, he'd say that's what she said.
Uh-huh.
That's what Dr. Ford said.
She said a lot, but nothing came out.
Evidently.
But she wasn't playing with Zilka.
Truth.
Enemy battleship founder.
Scratch one, New York.
Smoke screen set.
Scratch a New York.
Alright,
Lucky
fine.
shot.
Time to get the hell out of here. These guys can take the DDs on their own since they keep freaking smoking up. Blocking my view.
Late, guys, don't worry. This match is taking pretty fast.
Yeah, right, Exo. Like we had a choice.
I need some of that Brooklyn pizza
Oh,
from Boston.
Uh-oh, somebody's on fire. Hate when that happens.
tell Spec or to box one up and overnight it to me.
You?
I ain't
What about
boxing
me?
up shit to freaking Boston. They're winning 3-0 right now.
I'm not in Boston. I'm down in Florida, bro.
Oh, we have to get it from New York then.
Brady can just hide in one of those deflated footballs that they use.
Whoa, just stop. Don't even bring it.
And then they have to, they take the other guy's microphones and copy the plays, and come on.
If it's within the
Belichick.
rules.
It's not In the rules, that's why you
That's-
lose draft picks.
Hey, if you ain't cheating, you ain't trying. I guess,
Yeah.
right?
I mean, if Belichick was so bad, they even threw him out of New York.
He just graduated.
Hey, TSG won that one.
Top burn your compliments. I'm gonna burn all mine because that's all I got.
Chordic number 1.
Oh, wait a minute.
Complementos.
I almost reported that Kamikaze R.
I'm gonna save mine just
I
for the
probably
other
deserved
side.
it.
Oh, gee. Oh,
It's
gee.
probably okay.
I barely did anything that game. I only got one torp hit on a stupid Marblehead.
Did you win?
One side won. The other side got smoked before they knew what happened.
As long as you were on the right side.
Yeah, well.
And no fire, of course.
That is a lot of people. Whew. Trying to overlord Discord.
Hey, Royal Navy container. Words.
Match finished.
Negative.
The tier 3s are still going at it.
Well, then I got time to open my Royal Navy container.
Actually doing
How
well.
many compliments did you get?
No mission.
On my tier.
Boo. Looks like I'm missing a flag.
Tier
What the
3s,
flag do I
tier 12s.
want? Sure,
Oh, that'd be a good matchup.
let's do that.
So what tier are we doing? We are doing 3s or doing 5s?
5s.
Right.
It's half and half.
Dude,
Not intentionally half and half.
It's like bingo.
You know, everybody just pick their own ship and whatever happens, happens.
Yeah, and play co-op.
Earn points. Oh.
Hold on, I gotta answer somebody's question.
Well, we're still waiting anyway, right?
We're waiting on one match to finish, I think.
Yep.
Okay, cool.
trying to die quickly.
Damn. The room is chock full.
Somebody want to give a newbie the Reader's Digest condensed version of how this works?
Yes. Pick a 5, and when I say battle, you press the button.
Yeah, dude, you're overdriven a little bit.
And the purpose of this is we'll have probably 8 to 12 guys from the same clan in each match. Some on one side and some on the other. And the idea is to have a bit of fun, relax, take abuse from everybody else, and except me, and then just enjoy.
Well, it's too bad I'm just still a recruit. I just pulled off a Kraken in a Julio Cesar.
And a Julio.
Very nice.
In a Julio.
Anytime you can get a Kraken and a Julio. Wow.
Yeah, that's
I'm impressed.
the accomplishment.
You need to take a picture of that, save it.
Bring it.
How do I take a screenshot?
I can't even get a Kraken in a
Screen.
shimmy.
Print screen,
You,
go to
it's print
Microsoft
screen.
Paint, Control V, and save.
So we don't want to be in divisions, right?
Or ship
Oh,
section.
nope.
No divisions.
Individual job.
So
Individual
whoever's in my
job.
division, I'm kicking you.
Those tier
Windows.
3 match still going on?
Yep. Ending it right now. Windows G. We'll take a screenshot in Windows 10.
Windows G.
Win G. Yep.
The hell is WinG?
The Windows key plus the G. If you're running Windows 10, that works pretty nice.
I just hit turn screen, guys.
We'll just have a
That works too.
snip tool.
Windows G is a Greek version of Windows.
If you press screenshot, it'll automatically save it to your screenshots directory in your warships folder.
I don't even have a screenshot button on my keyboard.
Well, they came out in 1972. I know you're a bit old.
Print screen, you don't have that on your.
Yeah, you gotta get his bifocals.
Hey, Tuna,
No, it's a one of those gaming keyboards. It doesn't have that shit on.
Hey, Tuna, your comms are a little bit overdriven. You're breaking up.
Snag
on your
it
comms.
works good.
You need to find the any key.
Alright, that a little better?
That's much better.
Where the hell is that any key?
I've got a PS and an
Yeah, right.
SL and a
Keep
PB
looking
key.
Okay, is there
All right.
anybody not
Windows
ready?
3 is over.
What tier are we
I'm
doing?
coming back to port. Are we
There's
doing
still
5 or
that's gonna
3?
tier
Fives.
Fives.
5.
Chat, guys, read the chat.
I did. It
It's
said,
no,
it said
no.
I'm
tier
uploading
3.
it now. There it is. It's uploaded on Discord.
Okay.
Nice job.
So are we
Very
doing
nice.
both or are we just doing 5s?
We're doing 5s.
Who said
Okay.
both?
I did, because it says tier 3 yesterday.
God
It's
damn it,
supposed to pay you tier
Scooby.
3s.
And today's announcement, 2 minutes to 9,
I
was
checked.
that we
I checked the OpServe. I didn't see it on the OpServe. I looked everywhere on the OpServe and I saw it nowhere on the OpServe.
it is on the Discord.
I know, but I thought we were supposed to check the OpServe.
Well, no, I'm just mad that I dropped 1,000.
Well,
I
since
dropped
you
se-
very
I dropped
rarely check it, it's a bit
150,000
late.
captain.
I'm
I
on the
bought
OpServe
tier
at
3
least 3 to
captain,
4
and now
times
you
a day.
fellas were paying tier 5.
All right, guys, it's going to be on battle. So here we go. 3, 2, 1, battle.
Starting to get that delay down.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, me too. 3, 4.
What we've got 20,
I counted 25.
22,
we got a few on the other side.
24 people, so odds are we're going to get things that happen.
We got quite a bit on our
Oh.
either side.
Only got 3 over.
Yeah, look at that.
Scoops,
Flag all
Yes,
together.
hi, Nakona.
There's that damn kamikaze on the other
3,
side.
4, 5.
Outstanding.
We got 5 on our side.
I'm here fucking by myself,
And we're
really.
against Ike,
Got 12,
Santi,
12 in this
Sneaker,
game.
Rainier. Oh, I'm glad to have Nakona and Tuna on my side.
Why, you feel like losing?
Yes.
I'm in a Matsuki now, though, so.
But Texas is dead meat. I mean, easy to hit with torps.
Yeah, if you can get
I'm
first
going
to it.
A.
Yeah, I think I'll go D.
I figure it's a good time to test the submarine.
Somebody said submarine?
Get out of the way.
Yeah, it's when
Submarines.
all of your hit points go, then you can be a submarine.
Ha.
Bless you.
Playing my tier 5 tugboat.
Flatulence is not allowed.
Hey, Nakona.
Hello?
I'm on your side at least.
You think that's comforting?
You're gonna die.
I'd hope so.
When the CEO says go take one for the team, you just fucked.
You guys are so mean.
Hey, Rain, you're looking awful pink there. What happened?
Go ahead, let the CEO die
That is
before
not
you.
my
See what
fault.
happens. Seaman recruit forever.
Isn't it Breast Cancer Awareness Month or something?
Exactly.
Nah, I thought that was
Only
February.
2 games. 2 games.
They made it 2
Mistakes
months
were
now.
made.
Should be blue balls awareness.
Remember that time you shot the wrong ship?
Repeat it.
Good times.
Actually, it was a torp to a friendly St. Louis. I was
Damn.
like, what the hell?
I think that's the only good thing about short-range torps.
Mm.
You still hit it there.
Really? They're both over there.
Somebody
What's
has a
going
laughing
on?
problem.
Team doing?
I don't know what's going on. But there sure ain't no reason for me to be spotting right now.
Yeah,
I agree with that. I'm gonna turn this around, man. Mr. Tuna.
Yeah, there's a Matsuki over on the inside.
Yeah, I just got one piece of them, that's it.
Not all the way.
I don't appreciate you guys shooting at me.
Get over
Yeah,
it.
that's never good.
Request
I
for
don't want you
ceasefire?
guys as my mentor anymore.
Oh boy. You know, they're starting a new clan, TSG5.
Is that before or after TSG3? Uh-huh.
All stations, protect the target.
You can start a new
What's the-
clan only if the price is right.
How are you guys?
Oh, I like
I'm trying to get there, dude. This thing is.
I like the turn radius on this thing. Way better than Japanese ships.
No hugging the borders.
Yeah. That's the ticket.
Well, where the heck did everybody go? Clearly nobody coming up this side.
Uh-oh.
Wow, that was fast.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, it's generally not good.
Uh-oh, S&T fan. Went down. That's not good.
Got Iron Duked.
I want it painted black. No troubles anymore. I want them to be black.
That didn't sound half bad.
You gonna turn away, Doss?
Butter?
You gonna turn away, buddy?
Yep. Maybe a little bit. Watch out for those torps, though.
We definitely got a Canadian DD over here.
You should have turned away there, elusive.
Come on, Rainier, that's supposed to be hit.
Just the antelope is supposed to leap, so I
Yeah.
don't hit them.
I even hit you with those shots.
Well, I'm dead.
It looks like the job I got hit.
PJ.
Jeez. I wish they'd fix this game so it doesn't track on damn islands. Just ignore them. They track on shit. Targeting.
You target islands?
No, it targets items automatically, whether you do or not. Even if you hit the X, it still targets Ireland. No, they lock on
Well,
islands. That's the problem.
That did not go as planned.
Shit. Regardless of an
I
island.
guess I didn't realize I had killed the engine. I thought I was still going forward, but apparently I had it on stop. Not quite sure when I did that.
Boreal, I was trying to cover up for the Königsberg.
Good gracious.
That's no big deal. I didn't realize I had stopped the boat, so couldn't exactly turn into him.
Guys, I leave it fast, man.
PJ, don't make me switch to HE and start trying to hit you.
Okay.
I'm detected over here.
Well, this is not going well for our team. We're already down S&T fan and myself. We still got Rainier, Sneaky Skeeter, Elusive Tanker, Ike Higby. So those are all clanmates. So we still got some guys left, but it is not looking good at the moment. What is Rainier doing? Yeah, I don't care about the carrier. Elusive Tanker. I don't know who that guy is. There's Ike Higby. Alright, no. There we go. Let's follow Rainier around. So I'm not sure exactly what he's doing.
Well, somebody has RPF.
Ooh, I'm gonna get spotted by that Julio. By Ridkasabi. I know he's a recruit in our clan. I have no idea how to say his name though. Radakabi. Well, your torps are on cooldown here, Rainier, so what are you going to do?
I got company over here.
Yeah, you do.
Ah, there he is. Come on, turrets.
Oh, what is the...
Yeah, that's how I'm feeling right now. I can't hit Scotty to save my life.
Mitsuki... So 6. So he's probably got the captain skills down to, what, 5.8? So he should be spotted now. Yeah.
Oh, shit. I didn't see that guy.
Oh, joy. H.E. from Now Original.
Oh, we just keep losing guys. Now we lost Elusive Tanker. Who's in that kamikaze? Tuna Melt.
I'm going in.
Woof.
Yeah, I'd love to cover you, but this ship is about as fast as a snail. Going at hill, pushing chain.
God, that was a shitty game for the team I was on.
Roger.
Too much damn smoke, couldn't see shit.
You think Tuna's going after the carrier?
Oh, I was gonna cap it, but Sneaky came over and ruined it for you guys, so I'm gonna take it longer and sink your carrier.
No, you're not, because I'm gonna shoot you.
Yeah, you tell him.
Yeah. I really don't like not being able to fire
Probably in the
torps
Alamo right now.
at enemy DDs. So I really think I need to get the Nicholas ready for this upcoming ranked season. The guns are good.
Oh man. This
Stop
dumbass.
moving and I will.
This guy.
Thanks for the cover there, PJ.
You're welcome.
Should have waited till I had smoke.
Oh!
We got Torps coming toward the Langley, so he's gonna die. And then we got Tuna. Bastard. Not bastard.
Yeah, Rainer, you're dead? Come on.
Yeah,
All that trouble and for what?
I know. I freaking smoked up, then it's like, oh, I'll go in, but I didn't have smoke.
Yeah, that's because you didn't have any backup. I was trying to get there, but it just didn't work.
It's like spotted the DD for you there.
Yeah. Good.
You're welcome.
Oh, what is that? Our battleship? He's turning away? Good God.
Congrats on the kill, Tuna.
Told you I'd get him.
As soon as everybody just abandoned that flank.
Wow.
I was gonna cap
We just got destroyed.
Yeah. I
Just
gotta turn around.
destroyed.
Had your chance. All I did was scoot around your whole damn fleet.
Hello, Sneaky.
Yeah.
I saw him
was
going
trying-
over there.
Hey,
Where you going,
I was
buddy?
trying to make sure nobody could do that, but then nope, it just didn't work because hey, Iron Duke.
Make me go up there and get those other two ships.
Well, all I know is they ain't gonna cap. You're gonna have to kill us.
I'm just
All
hoping
right.
the
Well,
next-
we will hang out long enough to see the conclusion of this match, and it is 9:30, so it is a scheduled time for me to sign off.
Damn straight, Skippy.
I think this went pretty good, so I'm planning on being back.
Who's the courgette? That's another Alamo guy.
Back on Thursday night, starting at 6:30 Eastern. Again, going to about 9:30 Eastern, maybe a little longer.
Yeah.
So be sure to tune back in. I appreciate everybody that has tuned in and participated in chat. I appreciate it.
Making us.
Who keeps stealing all my damn kills?
It's no big deal. Just thought that guy was going to back me up, but apparently not.
You know what, Ike? I'm gonna go avenge you for him.
Okay, fair enough.
Casper got me there, PJ.
I think you might be more concerned with looking pretty, going by a ship.
Tuna, did you skirt all the way around the east?
I went down the 10 line the whole way.
Yeah,
Like,
I figured
there
he was
was-
going to do something sneaky. I couldn't keep over there, though, on my own.
There were 3-4 ships there. I just, you know.
Yeah, but by the time I got there, as slow as I am, they were all dead.
Oh, and I meant the west. I was on the west, but I didn't go
Yeah,
way
we want to
out.
torpedo the Corvette. That's okay with me.
Well, okay, so this is coming down to the last. I'm pretty sure that
At least that situation.
Tuna's going to take out this Corvette.
Mm.
Yeah, you should have
There we
him.
go.
And Tuna came out of nowhere.
The enemy is about to win.
That was nice, Tuna.
Ramming speed? Ramming speed, Tuna?
I'm really disappointed in my
You
team.
don't need to do that, Tuna.
I can tell.
I'm
Shit.
coming around the corner here.
I know he doesn't need to, but that would be awesome to see. The Kamikaze live up to its namesake.
Nope.
Yeah,
The second set.
Gotcha. What are you shooting at?
Oh my God! How'd you miss that? Oh,
Yeah,
maybe
you probably
those
use
are
that as
that was not
official.
gonna miss.
That one should do it.
Yeah, there you go.
Battle ends in 5 minutes.
all
Yeah, you
right.
could
burn,
probably
up,
use that.
burn up your compliments if you got them.
Roger that, Houston.
All right, I'm reporting that Kamikaze. I don't know about you guys.
He was sneaky.
He was sneakier than sneaky.
This is true.
He
Yeah,
was
you could probably
faster
use
than
that.
sneaky. Is what the problem was. I couldn't catch him.
All right, let's see. I already did that.
All right.
Then the fruit taka was coming in there to steal my salad, so I had to go back and.
Yes.
Look, for a taco, he was on my side, and he held back a little.
All right, everybody. That is it for tonight. Like I said, we'll be back on Thursday night, and we'll see you then. Till then, have a good one.